Hello everybody, welcome to Vidatri. A very good evening. And ఈ రోజు లైవ్ సెషన్లో మనం బ్యూటిఫుల్ చినియా పట్టు శారీస్ చూసేద్దాం. సో చినియా పట్టు శారీస్ ఆర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ శారీస్ అండి విత్ థిన్ బార్డర్స్ ఆన్ ఈదర్ సైడ్స్ అండ్ శారీకి జరీ వర్క్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంటుంది అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద లైట్ వెయిట్ పట్టు శారీస్ సో వీ కెన్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఫర్ లాంగర్ టైమ్ అండ్ ఐ హోప్ యూ విల్ లవ్ దిస్ సెషన్ లైవ్ సెషన్ కంప్లీట్గా మొత్తం చూడండి వితౌట్ ఎనీ స్కిప్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ ఈవెన్ విజిట్ అవర్ స్టోర్ విచ్ ఇస్ విటాత్రి షాపింగ్ మాల్ పీవీపీ లేన్ విజయవాడ. We are open till 9 p.m. every day. So let's begin the live with the mannequins first. This is one of the beautiful color combination, blue with pink color. You can see the silver lines and floral booties. Very beautiful with a pink color border with silver lines, which is a cross check pattern. And the saree is also very beautiful. These are the lightweight chinia pattu sarees and this is one of the beautiful contrast saree with red and green as a combination. And you can see the floral booties which is colorful and also in golden color. And here's the pleats. So pleats kuda chala chakkaga lightweight vastundi. You can see the material like how elegant and soft and with a thin border as I said. And the next one, so indaka blue color chusam kada, the same one which is green and violet color combination which is with silver check pattern and floral booties. And for this we have got the border light lavender shade. Saree mottham kuda same design continue vastundi. Very beautiful and elegant. Hope you are loving this live session. Please to stay on the live and watch the saree sessions completely. And I hope you will definitely love all the sarees today because these are the lightweight pattu sarees and manaki Varalakshmi Vratham kuda vastundi. This will be the perfect fit because chala lightweight untundandi saree. We can wear it for a longer time and these are the pattu sarees, chinia pattu sarees. And ee saree kuda meeku nachinatlaithe you can take the screenshot and message to our team such that they will get back to you. For orders, please to take the screenshot of this. The Vidatri Shopping Mall branch of Mukta. For dispatch, you need to call on 739-638-2067. And we're also shipping these worldwide. You can check out the charges as well. Let's begin the live without any delay. Let's move on to the first one. Such a beautiful and gorgeous saree. This is metallic blue. And this color suits for everyone. And the saree is with full of bigger booties and the cross check patterns. And border kuda meer chudochu, it's a colorful border. You can see the green and red color, such a beautiful color combination. And the saree is very lightweight. This is the pallu with the contrast of red color and beautiful golden weave. And for this we have got a blouse, such a beautiful blouse, same as the border. We can team up like this. And this saree is priced at just check out the saree prices and I'll let you know. This is one more beautiful color, pink with blue combination. And you can see the saree. Indaka manam two colors chusam kada mannequins thi. The same one which is color change. This is Rani pink color with silver line check pattern and the floral booties. And the border with cross zari pattern. Kadi zari border running on either sides. And here's the pallu. The blue color combination, it's a royal blue only, dark color vastundi. And for this we have got the blouse, such a beautiful contrast blouse with different designer. This is the pattern and this saree is priced at 5,899. Very beautiful chinia pattu sarees only. Collections are very elegant and I'll be showing you around 15 to 20 sarees in this live. And yes everyone, so today's live session we have got some beautiful sarees. So these are the few more sarees which I'll be going to show you one by one and the sarees are very pretty and elegant and you can see my saree too. It's also beautiful. You can just take the screenshot of your favorite saree and message to our team such that we will get back to you. So we'll move on to the live session. The next beautiful saree, this is yellow with grey. Very beautiful combination and rare colors too. Yellow with grey is very pretty designer, and the sarees with floral booties. And this is the pallu. Pallu is also with grey color combination. You can see dual colors in the saree, very pretty and elegant. And we have got the blouse combination with different pattern. You can see the designer, very elegant, and we can team up like this. And this saree is priced at 5899. These are the special collection of Vidatri. So you can also see that the prices are at a very affordable cost. This is one more beautiful color, dark blue with orange color shade, and this body of the saree with silver lines and floral booties, and two thin borders running on either sides, and you can see the border which is with cross check patterns and the golden weave. This is the pallu. You can see the contrast, how beautiful and the zari work kuda chaala chakkaga vachindi. And for this we have got a contrast blouse with a silver zari self-embossed pattern. So this is how we can team up. Very beautiful saree only. So don't miss this. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to our team such that they will get back to you. And this saree is priced at 5899. So one more beautiful color. Hope you are loving all the sarees. This is yellow with red color combination. The same like how you can see in the video. It will be the same color combination. The saree is with full of floral booties and bandhani pattern. And the borders, very thin borders running on either side. So you can see the combination, very beautiful and elegant. So beautiful saree andi, and saree kuda chaala lightweight undi. And this is the pallu. You can see the pallu with silver weave and the brocade designs. Manam single ga kuda ila flaunt chesukochandi. It looks more pretty. And we have got a contrast blouse with different size of booties. It's like a self-embossed pattern, and this is how we can team up. And this saree is priced at 5899. So I'll show you our store name. So this is Vidatri Shopping Mall. You can please do come down and visit. You can identify our store by this name, which is Sri Vidatri Shopping Mall, which is in PVP Lane. So we are open till 9 PM every day. You can come down and visit, and you can find out your favorite collection for your wardrobe. And yes, we'll see one more beautiful saree. This is one of the beautiful color, navy blue color, and the body is like full of floral designs. You can see the combination too. Very beautiful and elegant. Navy blue with Rani pink color. Two thin borders running on either sides with cross check pattern. And here's the pallu. Pallu is also the contrast. And the blouse. So blouse we have got a plain blouse only. Manam kavalante maggam works chesukochu. And we can go with half sleeves. And this saree is priced at 5899. And the next one, this is one of the beautiful color which suits for almost everyone. This is red with navy blue, and the saree is having beautiful floral booties running all over the body. You can see the elegance, golden color and light golden color borders running on either sides, which is having the floral pattern. This is the pallu. Pallu is also having the floral checks and different patterns, which is with a golden weave. Such a beautiful saree. And this is the contrast blouse. Such a beautiful blouse with a thin border. We can go with half sleeves if it's more elegant. And this saree is priced at 5899. So you can see the price ranges, and everything is at 5899. Such an affordable cost. So you can take the screenshot of this number. For orders you need to call on 739-638-2067. We are also shipping these sarees worldwide. So చూసా కదా beautiful collections. I hope you loved it, and you can also see the few collections అండి. So these are other section of sarees with different designers and fancy wears. We have got some wide range of varieties. You can come down and visit our store. We have got a very friendly staff too. They'll help you out in finding your favorite color and collection. You can visit our store, which is Vidatri Shopping Mall. which is in PVP lace. And yes, we'll move on to the next few more collections, which are lightweight pattu sarees. So these sarees are perfect fit for all the occasions andi. Manaki పూజలకి వ్రతాలకి చాలా బాగా సెట్ అవుతుంది. This is one more beautiful color, chocolate brown. So the borders are with light green and orange color combination, and the body of the saree is having the check patterns and the booties all over. Very beautiful and elegant color. This is the pallu, the contrast orange color with golden weave and a fish scaly pattern. And this is the blouse. So blouse has some self-embossed pattern and with a beautiful border. So this is how we can pair it up. Very beautiful saree. And this saree is priced at 5899. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to the WhatsApp number. So you please do note down the dispatch number. And the next beautiful saree. This is dark green with navy blue combination. The body of the saree is having tiny florals, which is running all over, which is golden and pink color. Floral booties, and the border is with cross checks and with a golden weave. And here's the pallu. Pallu ki kuda manaki border continuation vastundi, and the pallu is also with golden weave. And here's the blouse. So blouse is also very elegant andi, with beautiful designs all over, cross check pattern, and this is how we can team up. And this saree is priced at 5899. And the next one, this is blue color, royal blue, dark blue with green color border running on either sides. And the saree is having the booties andi, manchi floral booties vastundi, beautiful motifs all around with check patterns, two type of design in the body. And the border is also green color with golden weave. And here's the pallu contrast color, which is more elegant. And here's the blouse with self-embossed pattern. This is how we can pair it up. We can stitch it above the elbows. And this saree is priced at 5899. So these are the very lightweight pattu sarees only, the new collections of Vidyashree. Hope you will love all the sarees today. And you can pick your favorite. This is one more dual color pattern, grey with blue. You can see the floral booties and the bandhani style designs running all over the saree, and two thin borders. This is the pallu, blue color shade, and you can also see the motifs all around. And the blouse. So blouse is also very elegant with silver zari. So silver zari is always a beautiful one only, which gives the glow. And this is how we can pair it up. We can even try the contrast blouses as well, few more. And the price is 5899. Almost all the sarees are like 5899. And this is orange color. We have few color options in this designer saree only. You can take the screenshot and message to our team such that they will assist you with few more colors. And this is orange with dark navy blue color with the floral booties and check patterns, and the two thin borders running on both the sides. This is the pallu, dark navy blue with fish scale type of design, which is a golden zari. And the blouse. So the blouse is with self-embossed pattern and the colorful border. This is how we can team up. And this saree is priced at 5899. So one more beautiful color. This is one of the bright color only, which suits for almost everyone. And the saree is having the beautiful booties, the golden color booties running all over the body. And the border, it's a khadi zari border running on either side, which is very thin. And you can also see the floral pattern even in the border. And this is the pallu. Pallu is also having the same florals and cross lines, which is with the golden weave. And the blouse. So blouse is plain blouse, and we have got a thin border. We can style up with beautiful stonework or maggam works. And this saree is priced at 5899. We'll move on to the next one. This is pink color, such a beautiful color, Rani pink color ustundi. And the saree is like with full of florals. You can see the combination and the detailing as well. Very beautiful with blue color border with silver lines. Such a pretty combination. This is the pallu with silver zari. The saree is very beautiful and lightweight. You can see the texture. You can observe through the video as well. For orders, you need to take the screenshot of your favorite saree and message to our team such that they will get back. And this is how we can pair up. And this saree is priced at 5899. Such a gorgeous color, this one. This suits for almost everyone. This is lemon yellow with blue color combination. And this saree pattern also is having few color options. You can just message to a team for that. And the colorful booties running all over the body. And the silver cross check pattern border running on either sides. So here's the pallu. Pallu is very beautiful and it's a blue color combination with golden weave. And here's the blouse. So the blouse is also with beautiful designs, like completely filled with self-embossed pattern. And this saree is priced at 5899. This is one more color, green with blue, the dual color combination. Looking very beautiful, and you can see the floral booties and bandhani designs. We have some color options in this type of saree, and two thin borders running on either sides. This is the pallu with silver weave. Such a beautiful saree, and the color combination kuda chala chakkaga undi. So don't miss out the saree. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team such that they will get back to you. And the saree is priced at 5899. This is one more beautiful color, tomato red with green color border. So this type of saree is already tied for the mannequin. So this will be the same like that but with different color. This is with silver lines and the floral booties and two thin borders running on either sides. Very beautiful and elegant. Here's the pallu. It's a contrast color which is green. You can see the detailing as well. And for this we have got a blouse with silver weave, self-embossed pattern, and this is the contrast. So this saree is priced at 5899. So you can observe that all the sarees today are like 5899. Lightweight pattu sarees which are apt for all the pujas and vrataliki kuda chala baga set avutundi. So this is green with light red combination andi, and the body of the saree is with full of floral booties sorted around, and border lo kuda manaki silver lines and florals vastundi. Such a beautiful saree. This is the pallu. The combination is pretty bright and beautiful, and we have got a blouse combination which is a plain blouse, and this has a thin border, so we can team up like this. And this saree is priced at 5899. Next, one more beautiful color. This is blue color. Such a lovely color which suits for almost everyone. This is copper sulphate blue, and this is having two thin borders which is green and orange combination. The border is having floral jal, and the body is having with golden color booties with cross check patterns. This is the pallu. You can see the detailing in the pallu as well. Simple and elegant. And this is the blouse with self-embossed pattern and a colorful border. We can team up like this. And this saree is priced at 5899. There are so many color options in this type of saree only. These are the Chinia Pattu sarees, the new collections of Vidatri. This is violet color with golden yellow combination. You can see the floral booties running all over, and the border with simple golden weave. You can see the detailing. This is the pallu, the same contrast, which is golden yellow, and the floral design, and the blouse. So blouse is very elegant with full of designer. Such a beautiful designer blouse. We can go with stoneworks as well. And this is priced at 5899. This is one more lovely color, and you can see the change in the pattern. It's a different shade. Orange with red color shade. You can see the model. And the saree is having the bigger booties and a border which looks like a Banarasi style. Very beautiful. This is little dark orange shade. And here's the pallu. So you can see the detailing now here and the color difference here. Please have a look. For orders, you need to take the screenshot of the saree and message to our team such that they will get back to you. And here's the blouse with self-embossed pattern completely. We can stitch it till the elbows. And this is priced at 5,999. And the one more lovely color. This is almost all the ladies' favorite. Pink color. Light rose pink. And the body of the saree is having the tiny butties running all over the body. Little darker shade border running on either sides with a golden zari. Kadi zari borders running on either sides, which is very thin. And this is the pallu. So pallu is also having a beautiful detailing. You can observe that. And we have got a blouse. So very beautiful blouse with a thin border. And the blouse border is also very thin. You can see. We can either go with half sleeves or the bell sleeves. And this is priced at 5,999. And the one more color. This is grey color saree. Such a beautiful color. Looks like a bandhani style, but these are the chinia pattu sarees. And the body is having the full of rose flowers, which is in different colors. And the border is also elegant, golden and light maroon combination. Such a beautiful saree, and this saree suits for all the people who love the light colors. And this is the pallu. Pallu is also really grand with a simple and elegant design running all over. And for this we have got a contrast blouse. Such a beautiful and gorgeous blouse with self-embossed pattern and the floral designs all over. And this saree is priced at 6,499. And the next one, this is dark green with silver zari florals running all over the body, and the border is violet color with a pretty designer. You can see the leaflet patterns and the little florals. The detailing is very clear and the color combination is also very rare. You can just take the screenshot if you love this saree and message to our team. This is only single piece color we have. So just hurry up. And this is the pallu with the darker shade and the beautiful detailing. And we have got a plain blouse with a thin border. We can team up like this. Very pretty. And the saree is priced at 5,899. And the last one for today from the collection of Chinia Pattu. And this saree is having the black color border. So black color borders are always the prettiest. And the body of the saree is having silver color florals running all over. Very beautiful collection. This is the pallu. So you can see the detailing in pallu as well clearly. So this is how the pallu looks. And we have got a blouse with a thin border. This is how the combination goes. If you want even, we can go with some stonework or embroidery work. And this saree is priced at 5,899. So that's all for today from the collection of beautiful lightweight Chinia Pattu sarees. So as I said at the beginning, the sarees are really lovely and lightweight, which will be suitable for all the functions, and I'm sure you will love the collections. So for orders, you need to take the screenshot of this. So the number you need to call on 739-638-2067. We are shipping the sarees worldwide. So you can take the note of the shipping charges as well. You can even visit our store, which is Vitatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada, which is open till 9 PM every day. And we are coming back to live in Instagram page, which is Vitatri Pattu Chira, within 15 minutes. You can catch us over there, and again we'll be back tomorrow with another beautiful range of collections. Till then, bye.